Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're delving into the unsung heroes behind the cleanliness and functionality of our cities, the city maintenance workers. If you've ever wondered about the people who keep our roads safe, our parks beautiful, and our buildings functional, this video is for you. We will explore the different roles within city maintenance, discuss certification opportunities, and share resources to stay updated in this field. So, stick around to learn more about how city maintenance contributes significantly to our lives. City maintenance is a broad term that covers all the tasks related to cleaning, repairing, and maintaining city structures, roadways, and other public areas. It's the reason why our cities look clean, our roads are safe to drive on, and our parks are well kept. Good city maintenance services not only make citizens feel safer and prouder of their municipality, but they also attract new businesses to the area and retain existing ones. This in turn provides additional tax dollars to invest back into the local community. City maintenance can take many forms. It includes repairing roads and highways, caring for public parks, and maintaining government buildings. But who exactly are the people behind these tasks? Well, city maintenance workers can have different titles such as maintenance worker assistant, maintenance worker, senior maintenance worker, and maintenance supervisor. But what really sets them apart is their assigned areas. For instance, public works maintenance workers are the ones who build, maintain, and repair roads, care for drainage areas, and install and repair signage. They often have to operate heavy equipment, perform heavy manual labor, and assist senior journeymen in other areas. Then we have grounds maintenance workers. These are the folks who care for and maintain public parks, as well as landscaping for government facilities. They manage sprinkler systems, repair and clean park structures, and take care of landscaping and lawns. Depending on the city's location, this can be a seasonal position. Building and facilities maintenance workers, on the other hand, maintain city buildings. They repair exterior structures, ensure utilities are working, clean restrooms or other shared areas, remove trash, and work with equipment and tools related to these tasks. Let's take the city of Palm Springs as an example. They have a maintenance and facilities division that cares for all city-owned buildings, 2 city cogeneration plants, all city-owned parks and downtown areas, street maintenance, and fleet operations. This department maintains everything from building utilities to downtown parking structures and street light maintenance. City maintenance is not just limited to the streets and parks. It also extends to government buildings, public works, and parks and landscaping. Any government building from the public library to the city or county building requires city maintenance to ensure that utilities are functioning day to day. Workers help with the repair and replacement of equipment and systems as needed and provide cleaning services within the facility. The branch of the government dedicated to public works requires city maintenance workers to handle related work. This may include street cleaning, snow removal, road repair, and sign repair or replacement. City maintenance workers are often assigned to the Parks Department and help with landscaping, maintenance, and repair of outdoor equipment and structures in public areas. Seasonal chores such as grass cutting and weed management are also their responsibilities. To excel in their roles, certain workers may want to seek certification in their particular areas. This can help them advance their careers and become more skilled in their jobs. For example, the American Public Works Association offers several specific certifications related to public works. These include Certified Public Fleet Professional, Certified Public Infrastructure Inspector, and Certified Stormwater Manager. The International Maintenance Institute offers a Certified Maintenance Technician Certificate. It is available at 3 levels and includes both education requirements and passing an exam. Recertification is required every 2 years and requires documentation of professional growth. City maintenance workers assigned to government buildings should consider getting the HVACR certification. This can be earned through apprenticeships with groups such as the Associated Builders and Contractors and the National Association of Home Builders. Candidates are assessed on knowledge about heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and radiation. Lastly, if you're interested in staying updated with city maintenance news and resources, the American Public Works Association offers a wealth of resources, including a magazine, links to other related organizations, and a member directory for networking and consultations. The Association of Professional Landscape Designers is another great resource, especially for city maintenance workers involved in government landscaping or parks work. They offer resources on CAD tools and design ideas. City maintenance is a vital part of our everyday lives, ensuring our cities are safe, clean, and well-maintained. And behind it all are the hardworking city maintenance workers who make it all possible. Thank you for watching this video. We have covered the various roles in city maintenance, the importance of their work, and the resources available for those interested in this field. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For additional information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to bringing you more valuable content.